Come, let us spill this already spilled juice and get into some entertainment news. Now, I know it's been a while since I posted, guys. I am so sorry. Please forgive your girl. But I am back with Indaba zakamSeleku. So, Izingane zakamSeleku is back. Izingane zesithembu. Now that they are back, I made some few videos on TikTok. Please enjoy the comments that we made on TikTok and let me know what you think. Please do not forget to like and to share and to subscribe. Here are the TikTok videos. So bazalwane, can we agree without fighting, without conflict, without anything ukuthi uLwandle is part of the cast yaga Izingane zesithembu because umntana kaMseleku, and then also because he needs to earn something? That's about it, because really he's not bringing anything to the table at this point. He's being tagged in situations so that he can have a contribution. For me, I was like, even on when Usibindi took him at Asambe Siyobona before abanye bambona, you could see it's part of the cast. Bayafuna nje ukuthi bamfake somewhere so that naye ahole njengabantwana basemseleku, but agana content. And if it continues like this, next season abamgulise or bayenzeni ahlale ekhaya sibe right, because no, this is not on. uLwandle must come with something naye. Nangu bayazama abanye, akazame.